Aloha. I have a bird here that I rescued from Pepperjack daughter who likes to get birds. I have this bird here. This is a dove, a lovey-dovey, and she seems to be okay. I didn't find any wounds. I managed to get the bird away from the cat just by luck. I was able to grab the cat. She let the bird go. So now I'm just petting the bird. And seems to be aware. And here's the other bad cat. Bad mom. Red pepperjack cat. Catching birds. So she's moving. She likes when I'm petting her. So I don't know what to do for now. I guess I can just put her in the box here. Let her relax. See if she pulls out of it, and then I'll walk her somewhere and let her go. Let's see how she does. I put her down. She's standing. Seems to be sitting okay. Okay, that's all I can do for now. Pet the bird. Poor birds. They usually die of shock. But she doesn't seem to have any injuries. I got her before he started munching on her. This is a dove. So I'm just going to have her in the box for a little bit. Check on her. And hopefully she's okay. Okay. Aloha.